Insurance fall under two major umbrella: life insurance and general insurance.
Yes.
Under that general insurance, na motor insurance dey, marine, fire insurance, health, entertainer insurance, performer insurance. All those in there, our own artists own. Get man, you know, now that one concern our artists. But our artists for Nigeria get wahala. Many factors dey wey dey make am no dey look insurance. Because let's say singer now, person na go write song, na go sing am, na go market am. Na if na musical video you wan do, na go go arrange location, na go beg singer, na go beg this thing, na go pay this, na go, except the one wey be say papa get money well, like the video and co. They no get money like that because you know dey predictable. Now that mean say you no fit talk how much you go earn in 1 week, in 1 month, in 1 year. How you go insure wetin you know dey sure of? I think you get me. How you go insure wetin you know dey sure of? Na be number one. Number two be say the professionalism of our people different from Hollywood own. You know, those people there, they very professional. The awareness is high, and that the enlightenment level they high. Even the economy power will be money power. Our poverty for Africa here, especially Nigeria, the thing tie wrapper, he wear suit join, yeah, come carry special raincoat put on top. So you know if you compare the two, that place specialization dey. They get people we go take care of the artists in social media, the lifestyle, even the property specialization. Person wey go manage am, person wey go look find job for am, person wey go handle the legal side. But here, it no be like that because the job no dey predictable. Another thing be the attitude of our people. Maybe if we dey come, maybe we dey see road, maybe we talk through. Yeah. Until you see, Nigerian artists now fit make like let's say 10 million. You go carry 8 million, 9 million, go buy one big car. You no go insurance. How you say no? Even if you go insurance, you go do third party.
Thank you.
To comot 5% or 4.5, wey be 500,000 to do insurance, you no go do am. And when that kind of artist is sick now, God forbid, maybe stroke or something, the colleague go come begin beg public, they beg politicians to help. For Nollywood, for Hollywood, for America there, now the opposite. Now politicians, they beg artists for money for election over there.
Yes.
But here, now artists they go meet politician for this, for help, for that, when they're sick, for project, for that. You understand? So now be the thing. Even on the general society, not be only artists own. Nigerians get problem of maintenance. You see this insurance where we dey talk so. Now part of maintenance culture. My sister, we no get maintenance culture. Insurance na part of maintenance culture. See at the national level, see hospital, see stadium, see theater, everything. We know they insure them good. But to be fair to most of our associations and guilds, some of them don't they try now to do insurance schemes and programs for their members. Those Actors Guild, Nigeria Association of Voiceover Artists, AVOA, some of them don't they start them. But the problem is the cooperation of the members. You know, when some people hear insurance, the first place where the mind would go, maybe say life.
I won't
die. So when I die, which is wrong.
Association members go come chop the money.
Exactly. Association member, person wey no work for the money, is a wrong thinking. They need to change their way of thinking. That be the thing where they affect why some of these associations and guild we even get the mind to do insurance scheme. They know they get the thing on the road. You understand? You know, so I think it get to do with culture for our people. You know, it's a cultural thing. When you just think insurance, you they think of when I die. No, many areas. You talk like that. Many areas dey for person life to insure. You know, to they go check up. Now part of it. Not be only say you die. What do you go do when you die? To many parts of the body. You where they use your voice. Why you know if you insure your voice? People where they do modeling. When you insure your body, anything do your body, you no go fit earn money again. You need insurance. Everything, every part of the body. Now you need insurance. Not be only when person die or life. Many area dey for general insurance where person will go insure himself. Thank you. You get one big problem where even insurance companies themselves get. Now the credibility. Now they call am so trust. People don't trust them. And you no go blame many of our people too much. Many of our insurance companies, except one or two, I don't want to mention any name, if not, I will not go arrest me here. You know, they don't get, people don't trust them, because when people don't they pay premium, they pay for insurance. When time for claim reach, at that time story will start. The truth be say, they know they like to pay claims. Now be say there's need for awareness.
Okay.
They need make people they aware of what thing they go do if such thing happen.
Okay.
If they get disappointment, people know they insurance for Nigeria need more awareness. Maybe they do awareness program, like this kind of program now, other programs, so that people go know what thing they fit do when they get disappointment from any insurance company. For Nigeria, our artists don't let glamour overshadow the attention where they give to their health.
Okay.
You see those big cars, those big things that they use. Most of our artists, and then they buy them for Hollywood, for US there. Most of those things that they use not be their own. They hire them for the shoot, and they go. They return them, and they know they cost them. But here, notice me too much. They go now. Then they buy most of those things where you see here, and then they get them, and they don't need all the. And when they write them for film finish, go see Am Robert say go they for shoot them, not knowing that na film trick. They just use them today. Nothing is wrong to package yourself. And you feel package yourself. That's why they call it showbiz. You go show yourself, yes, but you no go show yourself so take on forget your health, forget your tomorrow. Insurance wey we know dey too embrace for Nigeria, so it's a big problem. Insurance dey assure person life, because people think say na dem get tomorrow. Na when something happen, bam, they go come say no be dem get tomorrow. You understand?
Yeah.
So we know they think of tomorrow. We dey think of the glamour of today more than the tomorrow. Our health. We need to dey fair to some of them, because
Okay.
I know very few of them we get sense well.
Okay.
We know they like the others.
Okay.
So they know plenty at all. Make the other ones they emulate such people. Maybe they copy those few people. I don't want to mention any name.
Okay.
Yeah. And the young ones where they come, where they look the glamour from outside. Some of them now the glamour they take join. The glamour now they go continue when they even enter. Come and from there enter the gbege. You understand?
Yes.
Another thing be say the insurance companies make individual insurance cheaper. Individual insurance for Nigeria they expensive. If not group own, corporate own, that's why some of them they come together, make their members come together, make them do together, so that they will give them discounts,
Yes.
rebate, that will go down. But some will won't do on their own. If now to personal insurance to insure one or two things for their body or their business, their equipment. If you get equipment now
Yes.
as a individual, that one no be group something. Make them make individual insurance affordable, make it no too cost, make it no they tear their pocket. A part of the thing, make them reduce individual insurance for these artists, because these artists their
Okay.
income no dey predictable.
Okay.
They no fit predict their earning because of the situation of our country.
Okay.
Because even for them to want do film, want do music, want do this, those wey no get big parents, rich parents, wey wan collect small loan, make bank sef dey help. You know, make dem no begin give interest wey dey tear pocket.
Okay.
Help these people, because the GDP wey dey come out from Nollywood too small. You know, reach 2%, maybe 1.4, 1.0. See the GDP of US, wetin Hollywood dey contribute to US. Very impressive. As at the last, is it not going to 6.5 now or so from 4.3? You understand? So this industry fit contribute seriously to our. The only thing wey make am the second largest be the number of films wey dem dey produce.
Okay.
Not be the money, not be GDP. You are producing film every day, everywhere, but the thing no dey contribute to GDP seriously. You no see where the answer dey.
Okay.
So now because of all these factors, you see the thing wey you know, you go ask person wey know.
Yes.
Experts dey wey be say na their work to bring awareness to anything wey you dey do.
Okay.
Many things dey for this industry wey be say people don't embrace to help to boost their practice, to their services, everything. Nothing dey wrong for insurance companies to come together, or if na one wey fit do am on its own, to sponsor awareness program. If it be talk show, if it be drama wey be say no be direct, indirect, na dem go indirect marketing. They go weave insurance matter inside drama, because Nigerians like drama a lot. We are talking about Nollywood. They like drama well. You know, they go weave insurance matter into the drama. Before you know it, people don't they know wetin be insurance unconsciously. Over time, the thing go dey enter people. TV dey there, radio dey there. Wetin dem dey for? Social media sef don dey. They fit, get expert. We get young people wey be say their brain dey hot for computer, for social media, for everything. They will just give them concept. Say this, give them brief. Those people go bring concept. Say, okay, this is your brief. This is what you want. Fine. They go bring concept wey be say you go sell the awareness. People go, before you know it, people go come dey like am. People go come dey like am. Be like person wey they just bring one car. See, person wey just car wey we never hear a name before. They don't do adverts or indirect marketing like that, like I talked before. You go see the thing, go dey, this maybe we try am. So one try am, the other one try am. The thing don't spread. Now, so make them talk to experts. We full ground remain.